Use the spending tracker Income Pro iOS app to save your money. To install this app, go to App Store and type spending tracker Income Pro. Okay. Search for the app with this name itself. Okay. And yeah, this is the app you'll get. This app is only available in App Store, by the way. Now, because it's already installed, I have the open here with me, so I can just open it here straight away. Okay. So this app gives you the details of whatever transactions you have spent, whatever transactions you have received through various means. So these are various functions here on my top right, which is income, which is the expense, etc. Now if you look at the top right corner, the value 50,000 in green depicts the total amount that you have received, and the one given in red is the total amount that you have spent. Okay, so as you can see here, I've already earned 50,000 and I've spent 5,450 already. So first we'll see how this works. We'll go to the expense section. Now suppose I'd spend 500 rupees on fuel. Okay, so I've clicked fuel here and type 500. I click here and see the latest transaction is shown here. Okay, now suppose I had spent my personal needs for again another 500, so I'll press here again 500. You can see the latest transaction here as well. Okay, now let's go to the transactions section. The transaction, just as you have seen here, whenever I've done the things for expense and income, these are the various details of the transactions that you have done, be it through expense or through income. Now you can see, oh, I've already put 500 rupees on fuel. Okay, so what can I do is I can delete this record by just gently swiping here, and I'll put the delete here. Yeah, that's how you can manage things. It can happen by mistake, so this is a good method to do it. Now another good way is you can export the files and you can send it to various people if you want these details. So the one given in the top right section is where you export the file. So I can export this to WhatsApp. Okay, I'll export and send it to a contact here. Okay, you can also send for income as well. Here you go. Right. Now reports is the different transactions that you have done within a particular period of time. So you can see here the ones given in this row: 1 day, the past 1 day, the past 1 week, past 2 weeks, whatever you have done will be displayed here. And because these transactions I've done are for today only, so obviously if you click in any of these sections, all of them are the same, right? And this customized is another feature where you can put any period of your own choice. Suppose I want to know the transaction in the last 2 or 3 days. That cannot be, there's no automatic section here. So you can type here and put the start and end date, and you'll get the results. Same as it's for the income section as well. Right, same as for this income section as well. Now there's this pie chart displayed here. Yeah, so pie chart obviously gives you the division of all the things, that expenses that you have done with the out of your total income. So you can see I've already spent fuel, groceries, movies, and all these sections. So obviously it shows you the percentage of money that I have spent. And obviously with income I've only put the salary here, so obviously only one section, that's one full section here. Okay, now the budget section obviously gives you the balance, the amount of money you have left within a particular period of time. So because I've already have income of 50,000 and spent 5,950 together, so it means that my balance is 44,050. And because as I said, all these records have already only been put today, so obviously all, if you click in these sections, all are the same. Now the last one is the settings section. Now these are all categories, right? So you can add them or delete them for your own choice. So we'll see how we do here. So we want to add a category. Say for example, I want to add drinks. Okay. So here I typed it. Now you can choose an icon. I put this one. Okay. Now I'll save it. And category added. Right. Now suppose I want to delete some sections. You can see there are 2 drinks. I'll delete one of them. So I think I'll delete this. So to delete this, again, gently just swipe right here and you can see the delete option. And here you go. It's delete. Now, the next one is the currency symbol, on which currency you want to depict all your transactions. Because the default here is AED, I can put submit here and the currency is added successfully. Then password protection, if you want to enter a password and for security, so you can enter here and save it. Clear all data, if you want to clear all the records that you have done, if you put clear, it will be erased, otherwise no. In feedback, whatever you want to write about how the app is, how do you want to improve, etc., what do you want to give your opinion on this. So you enter your name and email and you can type whatever feedback you want. And wallpaper, if you want to change the wallpaper, if you want to change it. So suppose I put this second picture, see the display changes. Okay, then go back to the older one. Okay, yeah. And last is the more app section. Okay, for the moment there are no apps here, so otherwise these are some apps which you should recommend to browse. So this is the functioning of this app, this is how it works. Thank you.